Professor Charanjit Shah. I'm an architect planner and hope to reach to you in Bangalore on 12th, 13th, 14th May at International Exhibition Center, Bangalore on 3 days beautiful, innovative building material exhibition. Plus, on the last 14th May, we'll have a global conference on visioning new India in infrastructure. So I would appreciate all the professionals, technocrats, bureaucrats to be part of this lovely conference where let's see that we collectively make and understand the making of new India into the transportation and infrastructure of tomorrow. So hope to see you soon at Bangalore. And secondly, I would say that we have another 3 days exhibition at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi on 23rd, 24th and 25th June. We'll be here in capital city of India, Delhi at Pragati Maidan with a very innovative exhibition, a direct interactive platform between the buyer, the consumer and the manufacturer, and also a global conference on the last day on 25th, starting from 9 o'clock, 5:30 in the evening on again, look at making, visioning new India, perhaps into the great transportation facilities, land ports, waterways, and railways, metros, and also the aviation. So hope to see you all professionals in this great 2 events here in Bangalore and in Delhi. Thank you very much.